Hey, what's up guys? Did you know that you can play YouTube video in the background on your Samsung Galaxy phone without a YouTube Premium subscription? Yes, you can. On YouTube app, if you are to play a video in the background, you can't do it without a premium subscription. But there's a way around using the Samsung's internet browser app. So Samsung's internet comes pre-installed on your Samsung Galaxy phones. In case if you have deleted it, you can install it from the Play Store. That being said, let me show you how to do that. Go to Samsung Internet app. Here, tap on these three lines and go to settings. In here, scroll down and go to useful features and tap on background play. Here, make sure this is turned on. Once you're done, just go back to the home screen and go to YouTube and play your favorite video. So when you exit the app, you will still find the video continue to play in the background, which is cool. So not just that, it continues to play even in the background when the phone is locked. So you have the option to play or pause the video from the lock screen. You may not always want to use this feature, but when there is a need, you know how to use it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video.